Hello everyone, this is Ranjan Kumar Kalindi. So after a long time, Bharat Electronics is going to recruit of non-executive for Bangalore complex. In this, they have total 63 posts on a permanent basis. Okay, so here three posts is there: EAT, Engineering Assistant Trainee, and Technician C or Junior Assistant. Three posts is there. And if we talk about qualification for EAT, 3-year diploma in computer science and civil. For computer science, 10 post is there, civil 6 post is there. And for technician C, 10th plus ITI plus 1 year apprenticeship or 10th plus 3 year national apprenticeship certificate course. And if we talk about discipline in technician C, electronic, mechanics, fitter, electrical and mechanical, draftsman and mechanical is there. For electronic and mechanics, total 27 post is there. For fitter, 12 post is there. For electrical, 3 post is there. And for mechanical, 2 post is there. For junior assistant post, BCom or BBM certificate needed, and post is only 3 post is there. Okay, so suppose if you got selected as a EAT, then first you will go undergo training for a initial period of 6 months. During this you will get a stipend of rupees 10,000 per month. After completion of this training, you will get same pay scale of this EAT wala. Okay, and for age is maximum 28 years should be there for every post: EAT, technician C and junior assistant. Okay, so for the most important thing is experience is nil here. No, experience is not required, but the mandatory thing is registration in Karnataka Employment Exchange. If you have this exchange certificate, Karnataka Employment Exchange, then you are eligible for this job. So this is mandatory. Now for method of selection. Method of selection is only written test is there, one written test is there, OMR based written test is there. Total 150 marks question will be there in this test with a part 1 and part 2. In part 1 general aptitude is there with a 50 marks, and part 2 technical aptitude is there with 100 marks. So in general aptitude, only aptitude and reasoning related question will be there, and technical aptitude, your technical subject will be there from your respective branch. Okay, and for qualification, for general, OBC and EWS, you have to carry 35% in both part 1 and part 2 separately. For SC, ST and PWBD, 30% in both part 1 and part 2 separately. Okay, so for this form, application fee is rupees 250 plus 18% GST for general, OBC and EWS. For SC, ST, PWBD and ex-servicemen, there is no fee. Okay, and if we talk about is the what last date of this application, so you have to apply before 5th September, because 5th September 2023 is the last date, so apply soon. Okay.